We find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. Mpumalanga, you are on Spotlight.
As I've said it earlier on, we find inspiration from people who do wonders in our country and communities. So today is one of those days. I've come across a friendship unexpectedly so.
All right.
So,
Yeah. So, and to my people watching me, Togozani, because I'm also live on my Facebook page and I've got limited memory on my phone, so I'll have a few minutes. Ngihleli no friendship wami umakhelwane ngomanyoni namhlanje. Thokoza sotoba insizwe yakasibi. Thokoza. So we are having a little conversation in the corner of Zia's office, Mrs. Zia, me and my daughter. Thokozani abakuboni kodwa ngikwazi ukushintsha la because I will stand.
Hi.
Thokoza.
You're to my debate.
Thokoza.
Okay, Ekoko, I want us to talk about Lishoba as we are speaking. Exactly.
Thokoza.
If it wasn't for Ishoba, I don't think it would maybe Abesiyazana. But I'm cool because we friendship, we next door, you neighbor.
Thokoza.
To someone who doesn't understand Lishoba, ungathini?
Okay, hey, imithetho yeshoba miningi. And ishoba mina uqala nje ukulibona ishoba ngangilibona with the late Jabu Khanyile. Because every time he performed, wayeperforma ngeshoba. You know, and I'd be all in awe ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye. And then later I fell in love with other musicians like uMadala Kunene, who oqale ashunqisa impepho before I perform a stage. Then I fell in love with the work and the dress code of nyaya kumthothe weshoba ukuthi ngilazilaphi mina. Usisibusi Mhlongo, the late umkhaya wami, owayecula isintu, you know, and I had nothing and understood nothing about idloti. You know, then I fell in love with Nosibongile Khumalo, who sang opera and live and jazz, akhuluma ngesintu, and she would utilate. And later ngabona sang Nobizo at the age of 19. Ngaqala lapho ukubaleka izinto. But before that, because at 26 I wrote a book of how my family would always bahlaba imbuzi, bahlaba inkomo, bahlaba ini, bashweleza edlozini, because there was always odd things happening to me. But akekho umuntu engimaziyo la ekhaya oyisangoma. Akekho umuntu engimaziyo la ekhaya esibona kuyena kodwa amakhamba yasetshenziswa utshwala buyenziwa nani. Mina umthetho weshoba ngaze ngawu-understanda kahle ngoba idlozi selinganginiki option yokuthi ngenze njani. So mhlazana ngathi ngiyavuma ke manje ukuthi ngiyoliphuza ngiyoliphalaza kwaku-2020 sengina 44 sengidlule intweni eziningi kabi ngisindwa ngomusa. So ishoba kumina was also me ngathi ngihlehla from esontweni ngoba esontweni ngahlehla ku 2020 was the year of COVID angithi ngakugcina kwamvelo kuyesontweni and at the same time because of COVID angithi and kwakuyisikhathi sami lapho ngangazi uJesu Kristu njengomsindisi wami not because of umfundisi o Sunday school but because ngangikwazi ukuyileya izandla ngiphile. That was the time ukuthi iBible college nemfundo yami yeBhayibheli sekubhekene nami ngqo because angikwazi ukuphuma ngisaba ukufa ngisaba iCovid. Nga-understand amakhandlela nani nga-understand amaphupho ngaba nembonakaliso nga-understand insangu nga-understand ogwayi nga-understand izinto bengazi-understand ekuqaleni. Umthetho weshoba ngawufunda ukuhlonipha ngingedwa nginganamuntu ukuthi fanele ngiguqe ngimlalela uNkulunkulu fanele athule kuthuleke engabi khona umuntu okufonelayo okuvakashelayo ukuze ngizwe izinto. The time sengena ingakho ngithi ngiyawubonga mina uCovid because the time sengena mina sengiyophuza ngiyophalaza angisadinga ukufundisa ukugida angisadinga ukufundisa ukuthi kwenziwani abantu bami sengibazwe one by one hayi because ngiyobhulelwa isangoma hayi because ngiyobhulelwa inyanga hayi because umprofeti uthe hayi because umfundisi uthe hayi because ngawa when the laying of hands but because idlozi lami la isukumela la ngimela. You know, umthetho weshoba mina ngwazi because no Jehova ngahamba ngaye olwandle. I was sharing with it recently on Facebook ukuthi ngaye olwandle mina at midnight njengohlanye eSouth Beach eThekwini ngathi Jehova fusek ngamthuka ngathi ngicela ungithathe mongazi ukuthi ngifunani waqhamuke iphara nalo lathi hey nambe ngifuna ukuyibulala sister ungayihengisi ngathi nayi angifuna ukuyibulala ngifuna ngitshela ukuthi ungizaleleni ngenzeleni. This is what I want and understanding. And immediately I started having openings. I started getting tenders that I never got applied for. I started getting monies that I never asked for. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Jehovah, ngikhombisa ukuthi uyaphila. And he showed me. I did the same thing nedlozi. And bangikhombisa ukuthi bayaphila. So akekho umuntu ongangitshela ngedlozi.
Because it's something
engiphilayo. So going back to ishoba kumina, leli elenkomo emhlophe mobheka lapha endumbeni yami uzobona ukuthi khona isikhumba senkomo emhlophe. Inkomo yokuqala bathi ngiyilalise phansi. Kuleyo msila waleyo nkomo hulo. You understand? Angibeliveli mina okuthengeni ishoba nanti lana khona isikhumba senkomo esibrown. Ngineshoba la khona. So nginamashoba ahlukahlukene abantu abangiphethe. You understand? Namanje angithi ngifake ibhayi lenkukhu which is very domesticated ogogo. So it's my understanding of my lineage, it's my understanding ishoba of ithakazelo zasekhaya, it's my understanding of history yobuntu. It goes into my understanding of Africa bam.
Uva kahle.
Thokoza kehle.
Gogo uma sikhuluma ngobungoma siphinde sikhulume ngomngoma. What's the difference?
Nazo ngiyayithanda ngoba ngiyabhimba.
Njengomuntu omusha ne?
Umusha wena baba.
Angimune ngumuntu omusha phela
ngangikho.
Ngihamba namakhehla ngiyavuma kodwa ngumuntu omusha. Njengomuntu omusha in most cases siyaye sibhimbe singa understand ukuthi makukhuluma ngomngoma kuphinde ukukhuluma ngobungoma.
Khulunywa ngani? Okay.
For someone, can you please enlighten someone who is watching us now?
Okay.
Makhulunywa ngobungoma nomngoma. What's the difference? How it mixes together?
Okay. I've never been asked that question. Ngiyathanda cishe ngabhema isnave kodwa hayi sengithe sengizosiyeka. Right, ngishilo ukuthi utshwala buyangihlula ngiphuza i-red juice i-beetroot lena.
Yeah. Mana mina friendship ngikuthanda mawuphuza utshwala.
Ngithanda mangiphuza utshwala abusangeni lamalanga mnganami abusangeni ukuthi nje I'm not coming is not me. Ngibengithandaza nala ku Facebook namhlanje ngithi abangithandazele ngiyathanda ukuthi ngideshe. But anyway, ubungoma kumina.
Yeah.
Ngithanda lana ubungoma because umngoma uvuswa ngengoma.
Exactly.
I want to go into my experience of it. In my understanding of ubungoma, ngayi understand mina ngisesontweni indaba yobungoma bami. Ngana prophet nana lutho. You understand? Because I was in the church, I studied the Bible, I graduated in theology. Yona kuphela engiyaziyo mina leyo into engakufaki nosemsebenzi kodwa yayingifaka mina emsebenzini ngoba nganginomusa kaJehova ngempela ngoba ngangisidumse class. Godwa I understood, I learned the drums. I studied the drums, right? I studied the guitar. I learned how to play the piano ngoba ngangixoshwe emakhwayeni ngoba ngiyabhimba. Kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi izigi zabantu abadala mase ivuke la ishaya esifubeni ungayazi ingoma ubhimba uyakwazi ukucula uyakwazi ukugida. You understand? And then I learned ukuthi ubungoma uvuswa ngengoma ingako mina noma ngangidlalela igqomi ngizovuka ngoba there's a lot of bass. There's a lot of bass guitar in the beats. There's a lot of bass drums in the beats. Umngoma uvuswa ingako noma sishaya isigubhu shaya ngesikhumba senkomo kakhulukazi. Ngoba isikhumba senkomo yilesi sesibayeni isikhanti ngexhosa. Impahla it's our wealth as black people comes from isibaya. More than ama-taxi manje njengoba most billionaires are from taxi industry. You understand? But isibaya sethu. So ubungoma kumina even nenkomo mayiqhamuka ethi qeqeqeqeqeqe ngebhele ubungoma it is the sound that resonates in you because once you hear whether unabalozi uqala uze utwi and the whistles that go in with the flute and whatever there's something that happens to your body same as in the church. When the bass comes and there's worship or there's praise and the guitar plays and then you start to tremble because the Holy Spirit takes your body. Same thing that happens with us. Example mokuthi unomtsawu uzobona amahlobo siyaqhaqhazela isisu sesiyaqhaqhazela and then you start to shake without anyone doing anything because kuyavuka umngoma uvuka ngomngoma and then mokuthi unabantu mhlambe basehlane noma abantu bemvelo uzobona ukuthi inyawo zakho seziyagida manje and you can see how the movements will change ukuthi uhamba nobani uhamba nodunga amanzi namhlanje uhamba no Nkanyezi namhlanje uhamba no Mafele Empini namhlanje uhamba nobani uzovuswa ngomngoma. It is you who has accepted the call whether as a self initiate or as someone who was initiated appreciated waliphuza waliphalaza ngoba khona abantu abafundiswa ubungoma babo on their own by iqembu labo. And then isangoma usel umngoma ngithi
Umngoma nesangoma.
nesangoma.
Yes.
Isangoma for me is somebody who's accepted their call and taken the call of duty. Bayakha leyo ndumba, bayakha leso sigodlo, basiyenza leyo nsebenzo, whether they are working as benza amakhambi banetafula emarket abanye.
Yeah.
Omunye udayisa imbiza, omunye uneyiwasho kodwa wavuma ubungoma bakhe, usiyasebenza, omunye ubhula amathambo, omunye uhlala nezinyoni ziyamtsinizela phendule. However it is that your ancestors have told you to work ngomngoma bakho, right? Usuyisangoma ke manje usuvumile ubizo lwakho.
Is to link yourself nalama vibration.
Thokoza. So the one is ubungoma is the institution of knowing what is happening. It's the theory and the practical.
Exactly.
Isangoma is the practical of ubungoma. Ubungoma is the theory. Moso isangoma ke manje usuyabhodla ngenza
Siyabonga, siyabonga.
usuyathimula, abanye bayasuza, abanye bayaqwayisa,
Batamula waya.
uyazamula waya bakhathela badinga ugezelo amake labo abazamula njalo bayangibhora mina bethi hamba ugeza samugeza abakhuluma. You understand?
Yeah.
Thokoza because nesimungulo sigcina sesikhuluma naso nongingikizayo ugcina khuluma. It is the action of lo muntu obeka ithonga lakini aseyivukile phezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho waba idlozi ke manje so uyasebenza nawe ngawe wamgeza waba muhle. Thokoza.
Koko, okay. We took it from Ubungoma nomngoma. We took it from Ishoba up until now.
Thokoza.
Uma ngingabuta gogo,
Buda mswati.
asibonge how difficult it is to accept
Hawe ma.
the whole process. Cause you had to see a blend of friendship lens up. I'm one of those who accepted ngisangoma. I don't have a problem futhi I'm proud of being a sangoma. I'm proud ngejeni yami. I'm proud of ubungimi. But umbuto lenginawo gogo, how difficult it is. Angikhulumeli mina, ngikhulumela wena and phinde ngikhulumele nawe gogo from la ubuya khona, because you once even went to elwandle and say fuck off ngogod.
Yebo.
Yeah. How difficult it is.
Mntakama ngaye ngashumayela yabo le ntshumayelo yami ya Fusek Jehova noTsek ngaye ngayisho ebandleni. Waphathwa amahloni umfundisi wayesefuna ukungixosha and everybody was slain by the Holy Spirit. People started crying. I'm not going to say the name of the church because nami say asakhulumisana ngoba ngakhetha ubungoma ngayeka ubufundisi. But people were slain in the Holy Ghost. People started crying, people started confessing because I learned it ngale lapho nje nokuthi Fusek uNkulunkulu from the book of Psalms. UDavide. UDavide, most of the worship songs that we have in the churches, most of the worship songs that our gospel musicians sing are from the Psalms, the book of Psalms. UDavide washada simazi eqaleni ngithi from the Old Testament where he killed Goliath. The same Old Testament that says in the 10 Commandments, do not kill. Kodwa uyabulala with a stone and then he comes over. You understand? And then you ask yourself, Guti, do not murder, but then there's a murderer who soon becomes king. Shuthi uNkulunkulu uba nomusa, abe nemesi, abe ne-understanding.
Yeah.
Right? And the same, I think it is in Genesis. There's a man, I think it was Joseph, who wrestles with God, which means he fought with God. When he wrestled with God, the next morning he had a limp. Wayeseqhuka. Shuthu no Davide lona aphinde abe nobukhosi, aphinde abe nonkosikazi, aphinde abe nomamkhulu nomamncane, abe nama concubines which is intombi, aphinde abulale. Masayahamba yakuJehova uthi enkulunkulu wami, yazi ngibhlungu ngibulala umuntu, kodwa ngiyakuthanda Jehova. And then uNkulunkulu abe nomusa phezukwakhe. You understand? He always cries for mercy. He always cries for blessings and he always praises and he worships God. Onile. And that is why I said to myself, I'm going to be honest with me. And the most difficult part of being isangoma is one, I guess yenziwe kini lento. Qala ngawe. Two, uma wakho uzokuchazela kahle ukuthi mina hayi ngahamba ngayogeza ngesiwasho mina sikasibanibani, ngahamba ngayothandazela umfundisi mina ubona nje manje sengisota kangaka uNkulunkulu ngayibale kuyabalekela lento. Idla amagobongo. But I always say njengoba ngiyisangoma seyinsuku zogcina. Post 2020, when a lot of us lost families and friends, asakwazi ukubaleka because our parents have been running away, our grandparents have been running away, and a lot of people have been running away. And masebangale uthola ugogo wayishizila bekadakwa gwaza abantu sethi manje hayi ngiqonto ezimhlophe mina ngumntwana ethongeni hayi mina ngilata amakhala ethi hayibo ugogo sibani bana wayesidakwa nje. You understand?
Yeah.
And because nabo ingako masithi rest in peace abakwazi ukulala ngokuthula ngoba abayiqedanga izinto zabo. Ingako masiphahla sithandaza sibonga siyasibongela abagezekile abamhlophe because mose unyukile ngomngoma uthola ukuthi khona uanti wakho wayifuna ukuba isangoma wavele kwafebeka ngephutha. Kwaphinde kwafebeka ngephutha. Ingako phela ngifuna ukulisho lo gama because a lot of people bathi hayi izangoma yamfeba. Because umzawuvele is a water spirit and it makes you sexually excited because bahamba ngamanzi and ungabagezelanga uzoshizila nawe nabantu abaningi. You understand? And then fanele ubagezele labantu babe mhlophe babe bahle. You understand? And that's difficult. Mina umngoma abantu baningi bayakhumbula because I'm still on radio as well. Ngangine-chain el-silver lana, nginama-chains lana, nginama-chains enyaweni. And they hadn't explained to me, but bawafuna lama-chains. And I remember ukuthi konje abantu bami abaningi babeziboshwa. A lot of them were on exiles. Abanye bahengwa. You understand? But babethandaza because I would wonder why suddenly sengimdala sengizophuza i-black label ibhayile zangoma ngakaze ngiphuze and then ngizofast 7 days or ngifast 14 days ngingadli but i-black ngizoyiphuza and masayiphuzile umkhulu i-black yakhe ayikho into azoyishumayela and makashumayela vela kuhleke qala kuhleka basatshela indaba zakho. You understand? And I was like, huh? Because actually, yes. And then so umngoma is difficult because especially Muhammad is tunyo, you have to balance it. And then I had to remember, which there is Jesus Christ. When he came through, before he left in his 30s, like most of our artists. It's another podcast we have to do. Why do our 30s? Why is the 30s when the artists go and commit suicide or kill themselves? But we saw Malapo for now. But when he performs his first miracle, and his first miracle was at a wedding, what does he do? He turns water into wine. He turns water into wine. So then umfundisi mazothi ngaphuzi akasholani. Then we go later into the book of Corinthians. Ngathanda iBhayibheli mhlanze lo mngoma ngamasibomje. Book of Corinthians khona uPaul lapho. Owayiboshiwe. Angithi uPaul.
Mina ngilithanda iBhayibheli.
Kulungile uzogcina uthanda ngoba uhamba nami umngani wami wena. Yes, and it's the guys, it's Paul and Silas, yes. Yeah. Because Paul and Silas, bathandaza ejele kwaze kwaqaqeka ama-burglar guards. Yeah, you understand? They praise in the midnight hour. Amaketanga, thokoza. So now my problem with the chains, I realized, yes, my name is Gwetagazi. Yes, I had a radio show called George Gwetagazi. Yes, I was prophesied to be a lawyer. Yes, in the Bible, the only lawyer that was there and the judge that was there is Deborah in the Old Testament. But ngang attractor igebengu ehlezi iboshiwe. Ngang attractor amacala ngoba ngikhuluma kakhulu abantu njalo abafuna ukungisuwa. Ngangihlezi ngixoshiwe, ngihlezi ngifuna uprove ukuthi nansi ngayisayini icontract. Ngangihlezi nginokho ngithola ama-tender. Yabo? Ngothi mina hayi man labantu bayathanda ukulwa. Ingakho idlozi lakho malikunika igama lithi umafele empini. Uyasukumula ukuthi manje mina ngilona igwala ngizofelana empini because you will attract that name. And as much as Monebutho, they give you a lot of names and they also give you code names that people will know you by. Ukuze mabafuna ukugaxa gadla noma bafuna ukuthwebula idlozi lakho bangakwazi ukuthwebula because that's not your real name. Mina on Facebook there are people who know my real names because ngiyabona ukuthi lona umhlophe lona uyakhanya avela ngibize ngalo ngathi hey ngangilisaba legama mina ngoba phela bazokuyilo lelo uyangazi lona ubiziwe. Yeah, you understand? And because they gave me the masculine and the feminine, it's very difficult because in the natural I'm female. Ngihamba namakhehle namanje fanele ngibuse wona amakhehle. Ngaphansi fanele ngibuse ogogo. Ngesinye isikhathi ngize ngihambe nabo ngibabalansise. So it is difficult to balance them. And then another thing in our black families before the culture Lena of mixed families of stepfather, stepdaughter, mama bethu no mama baba bethu bebangazwani ngesinye isikhathi or abanye bebasebenza koGoli or they from the Eastern Cape bakhona ama migrant laborers. You understand? Uthola usebazalisa ngapha nangapha and then umama usele lana ubaba kabuyi kodwa ubaba masebuya senengane ezu3 uthiwa ingane zala ekhaya ngoba seka sizwe umfowabo. ayikhulunywa leyo uthiwa ingane yakho ngoba bongabuyi. You understand?
Sulumlomo.
Sulumlomo. So there's another challenge because our parents, abazalayo in this generation, who took us to private schools and model Cs, baneimfihlo ukuze abanye sebalala, abanye basaphila. Abangasitsheli zona ukuthi ayikhulunywa ke leyo. Ayikhulunywa ke leyo. Hayi emahlazo la ekhaya abakhulunywa. You understand? And then ziyaslimaza thina because we want to be liberated, we want to have freedom, we want to live our best lives. You understand? So esontweni ngenza isisa. Manje fanele ngiphindele kulo same social media that I've had for like 18 years, of Facebook page wami. Ngisho futhi manje hayi rababashi khanda rababathi yo as well. Siyavuma futhi. And it has to be my understanding for me to live my truth. And why? So I faced rejection from family. I still have rejection namanje from particular family members. I do those videos openly. There's some that say don't come to us because they believe with Moyi Sangoma shuthi umthakathi.
Yeah.
Shuthi uyothakatha. Or there's some who also have a problem nempepho ngoba sebasindiswa because the time usindisiwe bagcina sebasindisiwe so ba understand ukuthi khambisana kanjani. You understand? So you allow people, so you have to be alone first. Idlozi lilodwa likwenza ukuthi ube alone ukuze ukwazi ukulizwa. Uyablutikwa abantu bayakuziba, and because uhlezi uneqiniso unganakile ukuthi okay manje uzokhuluma indaba zabantu uyakhalisa abantu kuthiwa uyaphoxa lapho wena kanti you in a normal trance. Not everybody will change a voice makuvuka idlozi, not everybody will shake makuvuka idlozi. Abanye bazokhuluma nje ngama voice abo kubonakala kuzwakala kodwa ukhuluma indaba zabantu kuthiwa wena wathi
Kukhulunywa imessage.
uthola ama message. You understand? So people will then be scared. You understand? Indoda yakho mawunayo njalo manje ifuna ukucheata so uyayixoxela ukuthi hayi uSarah nani, and ibone futhi ukuthi ine code inana awungena efonini yayo, ifoni yayo ihlezi kuyona iyayifihla ifoni kodwa ayikho indaba yayo, uyagadla nje wena uyi private investigator and futhi u professional ngalento and ushintsha iqiniso. You understand? Awuna stress. And so people don't like truth. People prefer lies. People prefer gossip. People prefer not knowing the truth. It overwhelms them.
And the shortcuts as well.
And people want shortcuts. Bengibhala lokho kuseni abantu baningi mina khona abafundisi banokhololo abafikayo mina ku Facebook, hey thokoza gogo ngibona ufaka ama beats lapha yana asalukwazi manje mina ngifuna ibandla lami liqine ngifuna uyagcola abantu lapha yana asalukwazi ngifuna ukuthi bangahambi. Ngiyabachazela mina ukuthi hayi ngingakusiza mfundisi ukuthi isithunywa sakho lo sonaso ngazange usihlambulule kini ibandla lazi ukuthi unesithunywa namanzi nani kodwa ukuthi ngiyofika nyonyobe ebusontweni ebusuku mina ungithole sengibusiness shoba lami ngifaka izinto cha leli limhlophe. You understand? Anginasi isigubhu mina mkhulu esokuthi uzokhuluma naso ukwenzela isilwane for abantu abasindisiwe abamhlophe. You understand? Angikwenzi lokho mina. So it's difficult as well if you were born out of darkness and you have to choose the marvelous light. Angithi uyakunika ichoice. La igebengu ohamba nazo siyachaza ukuthi no sigebengu thina senza ifraud nani and uyawathola abantu futhi abenza ifraud abenza amakhadi uthola abantu bazofika nesuitcase yabo bathi ngicela ungibambelelana uthola ukuthi unakudla la fridge ungenzi lutho ngoba uhamba nesithunywa. It's practical things that have happened to me. Athi aza ngiyanqena kuye bank mina bambala ngisaseThekwini ningaze ningithumele ngosazi akuzange senzeke sengivuma idlozi please. Afika umuntu uthi athi I know le attender le aka Telkom bebanginike i-million manje benginqena ukuthi ngiyoyi bank bengifuna ukuthenga imoto cash yabo, and I was trustworthy with little unganalutho. You understand? Ingako bengixoxa le other day ngaphuca imoto ngaphuca yonke into, but I was trustworthy when even I had just igubhu zamanzi efridgini abantu bangishiya namasuitcase emoto or umuntu athi hey ngishiya ikhiya zami zaseZimbabwe lapha, please just go look after the house and here's a car, use the Porsche. Abazi ukuthi imoto yami idliwe izolo. Abazi ukuthi nezingane sengisekhaya ikwazi ukuphila. You understand? Naku sengihamba ngePorsche ke manje akukho ukudla. You understand? Awukwazi ukusho phela esontweni ukuthi njoba wena ukwazi ukuhlanganisa oWoolies no Shoprite ama food hamper abantu ukuthi kwa wena olambile.
It's all about accepting.
It's about accepting the journey.
Yeah.
Ngaze ngixoxele mina nabangani bami ukuthi mina ngafunda kanzima kabi ngangisebenza in a place called Durban North in KZN at the beginning of a particular road. It's very long. Mhlanga Rocks Drive. Ngihlala at the beginning ngase Red Hill. Nginama garage awu5 before ngifike emsebenzini and then drop my kids off Mhlanga Rocks College, right? Ufika ufaka 50 rand la ka total. masufika ufaka u50 angithi imax at that time i-credit card yayimax ayi50 sengiqedile I'm in the red masufaka u50 la by the time usufika lapha at least uno 250 for the week ye petrol you understand ngafunda kanzima ukuthi iGP yami mangipake at a slant ngapaka khona by mistake esontweni ngoba ingekho iparking you understand ngoba ngiyi-VIP phela ngi-arrange ama-sponsors so ngapaka noma yikuphi yabo mawupaka lapha yana iyasuka from empty ibe full ngoba igauge isithe so it gives me another 2 days to drive ngana petrol so you have to be faithful with much uyashelwa ngalezo khathi yes abantu bayacela ukuthi hey mawuthoba ufuna le tender ngibookile holiday in room 305 wozala I didn't do that. It's difficult. It tests you. Uthole umsebenzi kuthiwa okay sikhokhela after 30 days 60 days to ngila ikhoneni la ngakwakho woza phela you understand and then you say no ithathu imoto batshele futhi hayi nathi uWest Bank uthi bayethatha imoto ithathu imoto but then out of all of that I saw isithunywa mehluko phakathi kwesithunywa nedlozi manje isithunywa will always save you ihlezi uJehova anomusa Psalms 23 ngiyawuthanda because uNkulunkulu he lays a table in front of your enemies he anoints your head with oil lento ongayifundi wena le Bible ngiyalazi mina and liyangisebenzela you understand
friendship whoa
but idlozi ngifuna ukuphinda idlozi why sengiyedlozini manje akekho umfundisi mina ongaziyo mina ongazi ukuthi njalo makuyiya ku-altar call ngangiya ngasindiswa mina mhlawumbe ka-15:5 ngingazi ukuthi fanele usindiswe ka-once u-accept as your Lord and Savior ufunda ilimi ube right njalo makubizwa i-altar call mina ngangila akekho and that is why I've got the bulk of the most popular abafundisi who are real and called are still my friends they still call me their daughter they still call me their friend you understand because it's and why because ngangam understand uJehova and ngihamba mina friendship ngiguqe ngithi mfundisi bathi ufunani daughter of God child of God ngithi ngifuna indoda nas
of everything
mangithola makufika uUber nani bathi umuhle kanje ushimeleni hayi ukhona something wrong oyenzayo ngithi nalutho ngihambe ngiyephesheya ngithatha ama artists from my area inanda entuzuma kwamashu kwasephesheya senza ama craft senza ama beadwork nani ngenza umsebenzi omuhle for the Lord on my own you understand ngitithe ngenza uasha ngenze yonke into nala engahamba nabo eSouth Africa bama lesbian bafike baba straight phesheya bathola ama boyfriend you understand yabo hayi nangempela ngathi na God if you still there singibalekile esontweni abelungu singahambe wonke amasonto ngifuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu angiphendulele ukuthi why did you create me what is my purpose you understand ngidumile ngiyahamba ngiyaphesheya ngigibela business class but everything is paid for I don't know if you're getting me you're looking at people who are hard of hearing and can't talk esitimeleni bayathandana but when you can't get love why everybody says you're beautiful you feel you're beautiful but you can't get love why you understand but then there's these dlozis that had to hlambulukela and fix their situations and why they chose me and why it took so long they are showing me bit by bit the perks of who I am you understand and I mean even Nomkhulu maybe we'll have an interview with him one day he'll explain to you there's a lot of times we've tried to break up a lot of times and we had all the reasons to break up and let God will bring us together we had to stop even contacting we lost a lot of friends because friends would get involved and then masale boto family would get involved and then we had to deal namadloti sobabini
just kahle ni friendship niyayoza nini kahle kahle
what do you mean friendships I use
regarding man qabana neseniuse friendship
no I need to sometimes you want a friend to understand ukuthi lo uyakudakelwa lo nalomunye uyakudakelwa and then
so manje mina ngiunderstand this friendship now understand this friendship mase ihlangana
no angithi phela when you're in a couple after a long time your friends become your friends like you wena ngwathi ngamkhulu kodwa you both our friend now you my friend more than his friend thokoza so yeah namakhulu udinga uyasho ukuthi nanga umngani wakho but I know you through him but as a couple ifriend yakho you share friends
you
end up looking the same you understand so umkhulu afika axoxela ukuthi ichomi yakho eyangidakela you understand
nama ngifika kuwe nawe
namdayifuseka you understand next thing uyadlula lana hey sihleli lana simnandi siyayiphuzela
sengimi lesilima I'm like okay
thokoza you know so a lot of times the another challenge of being idlozi is a lot of people say mona makhehla umthola umuntu and mina ngixoshwa izangoma zazingangiboneli Like uyakwazi ukuyibonela abamemeze from outside khona umuntu olapho akahambe, because there comes a time where all your friends have tried to pray for you, all your friends have tried to fast for you, but nothing's coming right. Then there'll be that friend at hey mina khona umuntu engimhambayo asike simzame. Mawufika lapho, I've ended up being family friends or financial assistant or advisor to that family yezangoma. Osinye ngafike ngazaxoshwa umkhwenyana wakhona ngase Chesterville, right? Safia sahlala ebhentshini kwenziwa appointment uyathanda. She ended up asking me to pray for her because she has problems that I can fix. So nobody could heal me.
Yeah.
So, and everybody would say, I can heal myself. So I had to find out how to heal myself. And that's why I learned. The first thing, mang phethe shoba mina ngithinta la. And then they told me, usuku ilapha wena qala before ulapha omunye umuntu. So it's do it onto yourself. And exactly, as the Bible says, love your neighbor as you love yourself. You can't love anybody else.
It's impossible.
And a lot of people are saying, then you don't love yourself. Your person must not be your other half. They must be your better half. Because who half no half makes a loaf.
Oh, Big Musil tool.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, he once said, umuntu nomuntu makayifele. Makayifele.
Umuntu nomuntu makayifele.
Yeah. Ungafi mina ngifela umuntu. No.
Yes, he's right. Umuntu ubani ubheka
tool. Yeah.
Yeah, ubeka right. Umuntu angithi vele mangizalwa. Ngizalwa ngingedwa ngumawami. Sonke siyakhala lapha eWadi nasazi sikhalelana. You understand? Wonke umuntu uyakhala. Nami sengiyabakhumbula ngangikhala nabo mhla ngizalwa ngomhla 26 kaJanuary 1977 ngiyanikhumbula. Ngiyanithanda. But so ngeke ngifela omunye umuntu kwangempela. Yes, heartbreak is sore. So mina I'm glad that azange ngihlanye, because I have a lot of kids who come to me now who go to psychologists, who go to psychiatrists, who are on medicines, none, because they've gone through one car being taken. I've had fleets of cars taken. I've had houses taken. You understand? I've had kids that I had to force and learn regulations of education in South Africa. Because this is what the law says. You understand? No man, nobody but love. In a Christian school at some point. And foot is active. So keep it up. So sometimes in Kanyako, it was like and before, the problem with accepting and feel as a group. And if unebuto, then they start showing you Tina how we are the defense. You understand? Then Tina Shaya we are the war cry. Esmemeza intabeni ukuthi nansi impi yeza. Tina hayi sabo gogo no mama sikade ingane. You understand? Hayi Tina sikade isibaya. Hayi Tina yilaba Tina esenza the weapons, we make the spears. So unebutho ngeke uthi nje hayi nginebutho. They will tell you ukuthi sobani. Obani amagama ethu. Sihleli kuphi?
Bayathi khulumela bona
themselves. Sisemgedeni, sisentabeni, sisemanzini, singaphansi kwamanzi, siyawabhodla yini umlilo phansi kwamanzi. Bayakuchazela ngeke vele eqhamuka idlozi lakho. Zithi hayi ngidlozi lakho. You understand?
I want us to talk about this one, Nekoko. Good right.
Guys, angqoka ngiyibuko zami, so I can't see some of the comments. Thokozani Dlozi ukhuluma ngami. Oh, I love your voice. Oh, thank you, my darlings. Thank you for tuning in. Things umngani wami mina afana ubeke level.
Hayi umngani nje.
Hayi ngifuna umngani nyanyanya nje. Ngavela ubhodla into engayizwa kahle.
Ama friendship blackmail nayo.
Hayi phela ngithi fanele ube right. Fanele angizwana nezangoma, by the way. Mina personally angiyifuni izangoma wema. Vele ngikade ngangiyisaba vele, and it's a known fact. Now wezwana mawukanje. Asikhumisani vele bosogqoke into zakho nani.
Akusiyimi ile gcomo. Nami ngifika manje angazi lutho. But all in all,
isangoma njalo naye.
Gogo, I want us to touch this one kancane ne. The difference between amandla I want us to touch kancane on this one. The difference.
Okay, let's see. Ngifuna bakubone phela ngabe ngikhuluma ngedwa la.
Okay. Siyabonga my people of my friendship. Yothi mayidibana yoze ningibone kahle, ku right. So, I want us to talk about this one, Gogo. Not even between the power that water possess and the power that intaba possessed.
yazi ngothatha i-hour no half ngisakhuluma ngamanzi kuphela usewuyentabeni
No. Friendship, we've got the whole day. Lo nenkinga nalo ukuthi we've got the whole day. Akaphakamise isandla simbone.
akekho uzophamisa isandla la kumina. All right.
Thank you.
So ufriendship uyangibuza lana nemantakwethu uthi the power that water has and the power ne
Yes.
that intaba has.
Yeah.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God, and God was the Word. Ha! Come on! So ekuqaleni kaGenesis, ne? God creates the earth, and then he separates it, and he tells the ocean where to stop, and he tells the land where to start. Right. So in the beginning valley of creation, according to biblical values, there was water and land. Right? And
yeah.
the humans asiyeke lokho. Thokoza. Later, through David, he even says, through quite a few people actually, he also says he owns the cattle on the 1,000 hills. And throughout even the Old Testament, he tells us the location of the kings, the prophets, what. You understand? And their biblical values. But angikho lapho. Angiyeke la kumina nawe. Sakhuluma ngamanzi. Before you became wena. Your mother, in order to birth you, a peculiar thing had to happen. This is some peculiar.
Education, my friend.
Yeah. Waters had to break. Umuntu wesimame akayi kuyoteta until qhuma amanzi. Right.
Okay.
And then if you are having a cesarean and bakubhukhelile ukuthi umntwana mkhulu kakhulu or umntwana akangeni kahle siyokubhukhela nakhona baqale bamkhudluze emanzini umntwana. And if during your 9 months and umntwana uyakhula there is no water in the womb or there's danger for you. Which means water has life, water has danger. Do you understand?
Loud and clear.
Every month, a female, after puberty, she breaks water and blood. Blood is water that is red.
It's a diluted one.
It's a diluted one, right? Yeah. And it tells her whether she can have life or not. Yeah. Because you have to calculate your periods and then when you're releasing your egg and when you have to give birth.
Yeah.
So we know that water gives life because if you don't have or drink water and have enough water and you're anemic and you're weak, you have a possibility of domorosa, you get weak, you get sore muscle and you get dehydrated, right? When you cry and you weep and you're showing your sadness and your emotion, you release water through your eyes.
Okay.
For me to talk to you, ukuthi ungizwe, hlangana nevoice yami, nemphimbo yami, nevolume yami, nomqondo wami, there is water on my tongue.
And there's water in my ears as well.
Unenkinga hamba usiyeka indlebe. I'll give you earbuds.
Okay, yeah.
Right. Angikho sure mnganami ibiology ngayifeyila
No, ngedlala ngendlebe. Hayi.
Hey bengithi ngizongena entumbeni mkhulu hey ngiyokushayela amathambo hey inkinga phela leyo. This is juice, beetroot juice. I'm on juice. It's healthy. I'm not branding them, but it's very good for your womb. Right.
Yeah.
So amanzi abalekile. Dreaming of water.
Settle lapho.
All right. No,
okay, yeah, let's go fast.
Wena lo mbuzo wakho uwenze waba loose njengentombazana nje ihambelayo eyilahlelayo nje. You lose importance of water. Inebeton.
Okay.
So mina ngiyayihambela ngiyayishishizela.
Okay.
Because namanzi angithi masisiza la idlozini awafani angithi khona umfula right? Khona impophoma which is a waterfall, right? And umfula is a river, correct? Khona ichibi
idam.
Ichibi cishe lifana nedam ngesilungu khona ipond which is I'm talking about natural waters, right? Khona amanzi amakhehla ajulile ukuthi amakhehla bayafuna ukuhlehla ahlela kuphi?
Emalwandle.
Thokoza. Khona amakhosi amalwandle.
Yeah.
Right. Now there's good and bad waters, right? And there's good and bad relationships. And in another conversation, we'll go to the difference between inkanyamba.
Can I balance someone live there?
Uyabuza, yeah?
Can I balance someone?
Yeah.
Simple, ne? When we talk of water, we're not talking about It's fine by me.
No, it's
Okay.
ngiyenzela i-camera.
Simple, Bagit, we're not talking about a swimming pool. I came across somewhere they were.
I'm going to go to the baptism. I'm going somewhere off the water.
Thank
I'm going to
Thank
go
you.
somewhere.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
water is everywhere. Just now I was bathing with rainwater. Water from the skies, which is a blessing. And I do teachings. I've done teachings on video on why there's water. Right. So you need, as a healer, manje, with water. First, before you even become that healer, Mina, would recycle bottles. Ngisaqala nje uhambo lwami.
Yeah.
Ngiwabeka, they became decor. Ngisuse ama labels or Gordon, ngisuse ama labels or Smirnoff. Ngifaka amanzi, kuthiwe ngifaka amanzi ngiwabeka. And I later learned ukuthi mawufika wena unendo, kufanele ngiqale ngokuthela amanzi. Khulume, angingakuhlambulula to different. Akithi ngihamba ngesithunywa, mangikulapha ngesithunywa. Avela khuluma amademon. Asho ukuthi mina ngo-aunt wakho ngithelelani mina ngifuna ukuhamba. Ufunani lona lana? And it would even happen in restaurants. I have some of those videos when I do my camps. You understand? Angimfuni lo ngithintayo. You understand? So the water would protect me from the spirits that are haunting you. Togos. In the water that we go to cleanse, we don't use still waters. It has to be running water in order for your things to run. Ingako the mpopoma is more important and works strongly because akshaya ngamandla lamanzi. Bayeza ngamandla. I need whoever that you are carrying to remove. Still waters, we also use them sometimes. Mawukuthi unezinto, uneyilwane, unani, siyakhipha angithi ngala. And you can't use the same waters for umuntu onespogi or uneyipogi uzomgeza kuona umkhiphe lespogi mase uphinde uyamgeza ngawo. Yey!
It's something.
Something else. Uyamgeza la umkhiphe la mase uyamhambisa laphayana uyombuyisela amandla akhe original. Kufana umuntu othwetshuliwe angithi. So we work differently with water. You understand?
Yeah.
And you know where to go. Ingako ngihlezi ngisho mina ukuthi if umfundisi and you belong to the fivefold ministry, whether you're the pastor, the preacher, the evangelist, the apostle, or whichever office that you're holding within the fivefold ministry, know your power. You may be good at knowing the Bible, but you're not able to build churches. You can't be an apostle. You may be good at preaching, but you're not good as a pastor because a pastor keeps the sheep in the church and multiplies the sheep. Umelusi esibayeni when you're a pastor. Uyelusa.
You see friendship. You see friendship. If the Bible comes that way, ngathi ngizolithanda.
Uzothanda yabona
iBhayibheli
idinga ukuthi nguromensele lona uzolisa.
Malisa njalo, you know why?
Uromensela lona iBhayibheli.
Linabo.
And if you're an evangelist uthunyela ukuthi uyeyibhedlela uyovuselela abantu. Angithi uthunyela ukuthi emateksini yobashumeze emabhasini uyacula. You understand? You have a different charisma. Ogqoka ukhololo every day nani. Yabona ama-evangelists ngilabaswe enkayi bafaka okhikho nibhoboza bafaka ama-perfume amemezayo bafaka amathayi yabo
Lamasuta aphathwayo.
namabsuta nezinto lana na yabo babhizi because into yabo nje igqomi i-practically yabonakala.
Ihamba.
Iyashesha yabo bashaya ama-SMS. You understand? The preacher, hayi undendende njengami. Long story. Ama-paragraph. Yeah.
Friendship. You know, I have a friend who's a pastor.
Yeah.
I know he will see this one.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Ekugcineni manje.
But yo.
Let's go back to the importance of water.
Yeah.
So as a person who grows up in the church, whether you're Methodist, your traditional churches, you're Presbyterian, you're Lutheran, bazokubhabhadisa ngamanzi to cover you with the blood of Jesus and to protect you. So water, we know, protects you and provides for you. You understand? Masipheka ukudla the bulk of the time sibenzisa amanzi more than amafutha. Do you get it? But abantu futhi bayakwazi ukuthi like mina khona lamanzi bowuthi uyakona izolo ngeke ngisho ngegama.
Yeah.
Angiwathinti mina lawo manzi because I find them ukuthi asengcolisiwe. So besikhulume leyo angcolisiwe kanjani because khona amanzi angcolayo because abantu bakhipha abantwana kuona. Khona amanzi angcolayo because khona abantu abahamba nezinkukhu ezimnyama balenga incwadi babhala izinto for abantu angcole.
As much as I couldn't even go to that water.
That's good because I pray that you don't go to those waters angcolile lawo manzi. Akwafunda. Thola ukuthi abantu bagcwele. So namanzi owaphuphayo usaqala nje ubizo lwakho. Sometimes you'll dream clear water. It has a different meaning. Sometimes you'll dream of green water, brown water. It has a different meaning. Fana namanje ngathatha iglass lamanzi siwabeke la soyi2. I read water, by the way. Uthola ukuthi awami a-still athule. Uthola awakho abe nama-bubbles. Same glass, same tap, and when uyibambe lakho iglass, ulibeke la. Nami ngilibambe lami iglass ngilibeke la. Because why? Water transmits energy. The energy from me transmits to that glass, and mine is still and calm, and yours has bubbles. Why? Same thing as candles. Singabeka amakhandlela lana manje. Siwalayite so oyi-2 abemhlophe. Elakho kuchichima elikhali, elinye lithi bling 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 libanga umsindo. Elami lithulele nje lithi.
Libe straight.
Lithi.
Even in
So-
even the light yalo the khandlela, and it tells different.
Different stories.
Ife.
Talk hours. So amanzi, as I'm saying, it's what we call light and dark. It's what is called the yin and the yang. There's a Chinese sign. Angazi uyayazi ngibe ngathi u-S, ibe black ngala nechaphazela imhlophe, ibe mhlophe ngala nechaphazela imnyama. It's called the yin and the yang. It's
Most-
the balance of life.
Most of the time, bantu bayithatha as if it's a symbol of love, but
It's life, really. It's
I get it. It's now I get the clear picture, because even now I was tempted to say, it's all about love. It's the other half and the other half. But
it's the black and white. It's the yin and the yang.
Yeah.
It's like we can't have too much darkness. We need the light. We can't have too much night. Siyakhathala, sifuna ukuvuka. You understand? You can't have too much rain. You need sunshine. So it's the balance of life. Ngonyama, sebafuna ukuya entabeni. Moya entabeni. Entabeni, most of the time, even after Jesus had fasted for 40 days and 40 nights, the enemy, Lucifer, came and tempted him and said, you can have all of this if you bow down to me. Correct? And then ngeke uze wazi ukuthi correct ngoba ulazi iBhayibheli kulungile ke. Nina ngicela ningicorrect nina nilazi iBhayibheli. So, we know ukuthi life is also a journey, right? Let me take it from my experience, because I've climbed a lot of mountains, I've climbed a lot of hills, I've gone into a lot of caves, and I climbed the highest mountain in Africa, Kilimanjaro. That was 2009, right? Mohamba ukugibela eKilimanjaro. Intaba awuyigibeli store. Yangithi uyabona ukuthi nathi straight lapha ngiyakhona. Awugibeli uye straight phezu kwentaba. Uyihamba kanje. Like a snake.
indirect.
Uhamba njenge-snake. And the people in Tanzania, they say, they tell you, pole, pole, pole. They keep on reminding you, which is slowly, slowly.
Khanyani.
Hanyana, hanyana. Kancane, kancane. Don't rush it. Slow and easy, you will get there. Right? And one thing for sure, sometimes you go up and then you go down to sleep, right? In the valley. The valley is very cold, but you need it because your temperature is high. So you learn a lot about acclimatization. So in life, Nakona, there is a highs and there are lows. There are highs and there are lows. And in all of that, change as a human being is very important. It's evident. If you don't change, you don't evolve, then you're stuck somewhere. Nengane fani kule, ikhipha amazinyo, ikhase, iwalke nan. Nama relationship akanjalo. Hayi wayengenjena, wayengifonela 7 times a day, 7 times. Angeke kusafana phela manje senina 10 years together. Uzofona once per week. Nihlala ndawonye futhi. Nisebenza ndawonye futhi. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, and people don't like change. But if you don't change, then you will not be the security, then the cashier, then from the cashier, then the supervisor, then the manager, then the director, then the owner. It's all change. So change is growth.
Yeah.
So the mountain is also showing you growth. But now what is important about the mountain is that it's the journey that you have to take yourself to understand. Ngeke sigibele intaba sixoxa mnganami. Umzimba uyakhathala, ngiyahefuzela, na uyakhathala, uyachuluka, uba manzi njengoba ngichuluka manje nginyuka lentaba mentally. Ngiyachuluka manje going up the mountain mentally. You understand? You are praying internally, your body is talking to you. So intaba is understanding the geography of your body, the geography of your life. You go to the mountain and you get a revelation. Whether you start seeing bees or you hear absolutely nothing or you start hearing songs, there's an experience that you come back with. That mountain for me is connecting to the self and to abantu bemvelo. Yingako nje sinamabhubesi lana on the frame here, abanye baphupha there at the top. Abanye mina ngihamba nendlovu. You connect with the spirit animal or the character of the people that you are with. And some of them ngetinanatelo tenu. ithakazelo zenu nizokwazi ukuthi ningobani nihamba nani omajola abahamba nezinkomo ondlovu there are elephants undaba ezitha ubhejana uphuma esiqiwini do you understand? So some of you are rhinos, some of you are hippos, and some of these animals you see them in your dreams, and which means doesn't mean go slaughter it. It means maybe ukuthi udinga amafutha khona ukuthi wenze something ukuthi uyiprotect. It means mhlambe fanele ubethele ngawo, mhlambe impande yakho isebenzisayo, or it means some of us khule esicatshiwe mina nginengcabo la ebusweni. Ukuthi sengikhuluphela, you can see them. I'm the only one in my family. You understand? Abanye niyeza ngomeni, niyogcaba baniqinise and anibuza ukuthi bakufake isilwane sani, mhlambe bakufake ibhubesi, bakufake ini. You understand? Abantu banamabhande lana, you understand? Bagqihile, ibhama zibangeni. You understand?
You know in my language ukuthi manje ngizini.
Yeah.
You see, bathini endlini kodwa bentani bayachupa ngisi. When they put the electric lines.
Yes, yeah.
Mina ngiyamchupa umuntu. Skip sami. Ngiyamchupa ngimshama level sengiyamchupa.
I don't like that. I get really upset.
That depends with
when I see some of my kids, and I find ukuthi babashayile man ukuthi bengenza umparula umzawo nakabhlungu
so ngesparula umzawo mara sometimes
not sonke ngendlela engafani but you understand, so uyathi now ukuthi masenda lezo insizi lezo hlanganisa abemvelo, you understand?
Yes.
Nezemvelo, we don't only mix the root or the leaf or the what of trees uhamba ngempande yakho. There's particular animals that you burn or whatever, and then you use, you understand? And for different reasons, you understand?
Exactly. So
it goes according to your belief. A lot of churches that are in the open churches, most of them, it's also a part of fasting, I believe.
Yeah.
Fasting your bicycle, your motorbike, your car. As Jesus Christ also says, not demons don't only come out by praying. Some of them need prayer and fasting. And ngeke unyuke intabo yazi nawe ungafastanga. You can't be doing cloth ngayizolo mase unyuke intabo ufuna ubuya neyibusiso.
It's something else.
It's something else. So that's what I'm saying. So mona isithunya bakunike isambatho sakho uyasinyusa usentabeni. Yayizolo yodwa. And then fanele usemanzini.
Yeah.
Correct?
Exactly.
To get the blessings. Yeah. You have to balance. Now, if you can't go to the water, you go to the mountain, then you ask, Mauti, hayi mina umfundisi wami uthe lokho ngene emanzini. Ngase mina ngithi. Ngomfundisi iscripture neverse.
Literally against law.
So, yeah, it's for different reasons. Ngicela ngifundela lapha phela mina makhosi I dream of snakes. Beautiful, different kinds, beautiful. Thakashana ngiyadlala.
Let me respond.
I want to respond. That's beautiful. I also dream of snakes.
Come on. I don't want to respond. Ngikhuluma ne. Ngifuna ukunikeza ne direction ngesandla. Flip it kancane.
Oh.
Kancane nje for the one who is dreaming snakes.
Thokoza. Ekufana noma ubone inyoka. And another child of mine who's been running for years. Manje in my office ngithola ngithi mina very very good. I'm very very happy that you are finding the snake there. I've shared mina. Abantu abadala mabaqhamuka isikhathi esiningi ubaleka ubizo lwakho ungafuni kuyothwasa kade bakutshela. They hurt you so bad, they remove things. And I pray God, especially umzawu uzokwenzela istroke, ube ne-stroke. Umzawu uyancwaba. Sad story, my own Kobela lost her child. I've got kids who come here, ingane ekwazi ukubhukuda ivele ingene ephulini ngishona. Abanye abantwana bavele bangene emabhavini. Sad stories. Amadlozi ayasishaya. You understand? Ukimike kuphela imoto, kuphela yonke into. Yabo? They use physical. I know mina ngihamba ku Smith Street ngine stroke. I've shared those videos. Sewuhlangothi seluthi. Sengishaya istroke faka u4. Umzawu uyakwenza lokho. Right. What was the question? The snake's part. The snake depends what color, because it can be your enemy.
Yeah.
It can be your dlozi. It could be your ngilosi. Sonke njengoba sizelwe sinamathonga asigade sinengilosi ezazikhona zalo.
But for a simple fact, friendship, as you are saying, it depends with what kind of snake. If someone akhuluma about ngibona inyoka lenhle.
Ayikho inyoka enhle mfethu, ayikho inyoka enhle.
Hang on friendship.
Ngaphandle kwama X Ay inyoka laba abantu kodwa babe bahle phela sosikhathi.
mina ngikhonsele ngaleyo mlungu ibambe lapho wo othi ubona inyoka lenhle and beautiful colors and stuff nan.
I think we should keep the camera here.
We should understand one thing. We should understand the colors, friendship. Because sometimes umuntu uye atheme ukuthi I saw a beautiful snake. Beautiful snake, even black can be beautiful. Even red with those stripes can be beautiful. But at the end of the day, someone will tell you, as she or I'm not sure what is it, she or he, but he said, a beautiful one, ganjalo. Let us understand the colors, my friend. Share with our people.
Ayifake imali zobona ngicela uqale ngithandaze.
Faka imali zobona.
Boy ngifuna ukuthandaza yabona isithunya sihlala ngami njengoba ngingafuna ukuphuza ngifuna ukuthandaza manje. Unthabi saying you dream of a mermaid, beautiful. Remember in a dream guys, ngihlezi ngisho kwabantu abaphuphayo I've got about 4 people that I so supposed to answer their dreams before this thing. Right guys, amaphupho, you can't just say I dreamt of something. What is very important ukuthi uphupha mermaid, what color was it? Right? Uphupha mermaid, what kind of water was it? Was it in a dam? Was it in a river? Was it in an ocean? Was it in the sand? Uphupha mermaid, did it speak? Did it sing? What did it do? Uphupha mermaid, yabo kuningi. And in the dream, were you the mermaid? Or did you see its own? So basically, within that, the family will have its own skodlo, a pharmacist, a doctor, and a specialist. You understand? Because moingwenza you just know imithi angithi. Moyinyanga uyelapha udinga ukuthi uyothwasa. You understand? Uyakwazi nokuliphatha ishop ungathwasanga. Sikhohliwe nokusho lokho. Baningi ngibaziyo mina baliphatha ishop ungathwasanga. You know, and it does not make you ukuthi like my man always argues, hey nina nalaphuza naliphalaza you think you ni woolies yabantu abanobizo. It's not like that. Yabo? It's bizet differently. If I could, I would still run away from doing it. You know, I ran for some 30 odd years and it hit me, you know, and it's sad that abazali didn't finish their things and their parents didn't finish their things and they finished it through us because I had a lot of dreams and desires that I had to change to adapt to myself and I had to accept kuti nantu bizo selukanje. Homa ave ngiphathe abhlungu khona imessage engenayo ku-FNB ngithi imali engenayo kanti imali ephumayo. Ngase ngabhoreka. Yeah, as I said, I'm tired of talking. Is there anything else? Mom cool, Magwande Thokozani Dlozi. Yeah, molunywa yinja slindile ephupheni idlozi lakho and shouldn't be biting you. Izinja, especially ezi brown, ezi black, mazigijimisa, igijimiswa idlozi lakho. Abantu bagina abadala mayikuluma should usana back up, which I can tell you now your life is saying that you are in a fix. Uthola ukuthi awusebenzi awunamali abakufuni abakuthandi bayakuzonda bayakubalela bayancitselela nothando kuba empty and it's very difficult when you're at that point.
In a simplified manner,
usenjeni vele
we in danger, you in danger. Go to.
Yeah,
friendship. I want us to talk about amapit.
Please go back to Waterpot Green and Brown. Oh guys, nisesiye phambili kanje ngizowenza ama consult phela mase nifuna amanye or go back to my old videos guys. Lana besithi touch and go kuphela.
We'll save it when we're done. That will be fair and it's friendship.
Yeah, we'll come back to that. I dreamed of riding a bicycle and my little daughter following me behind with a backpacker on her bag. Oh, okay. Special one, that one. Okay. Nice. Guys, yeah. Remember, Uguti, it's not one size fits all.
Exactly.
It's sonke go size 28, size 32, size 36, size 42, size again.
Size my bobo
imlabo sayimna wasting material mangithungela phela sengimkhulu nama hips nezinqa. So it has to be in specification of where you are in your life and what is happening, so it's just not general. But you were asking me something.
I want us to talk about amapit.
Amapit.
Yeah. Why amapit? Izangoma zamanje
zinjani zamanje onina
siyaphila. Yes, siyaphila. Alive people, we have the tendency of presenting ourselves ukuthi sizangoma with physical appearance, beat and whatnot, namabhayi.
Do you think so?
No.
Do you
hang
guys
on.
do that?
Hang on.
Ngiyajudge phela mina. You guys do
We are
that?
judge. Who you are to judge us? If you want
Mayo.
to judge us, balance me here. In terms of
I must
understanding.
balance you.
Yeah, balance. You know why ngisho so? There's this guy lengisebenza naye.
Usuhleba.
No.
Uhleba ama-colleague.
No. Phela ngisemina I've got thousands of misebenzi engiyendawo.
So
Which one you will tell ukuthi lengisebenza naye kuphi umsebenzi?
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Sure.
Ngisebenza naye and he used to be like, "Bra, wena muzwena usiswa ngoma wena. Una usinyanga." And I'm like, if ubona njalo, it's fine vela ngisi.
Oh nami khona oshilo izolo angidakela Nkosi yami. Ngithanda ukukhuluma ngezandla ngithi. So uyangibuza angithi yawazi amabhuli they either have celebrity pictures or bane picture yomntwana it's never show their faces. Athi so ngoma esinjana nga something esifakela inzipho esifake. Yabo?
Exactly. Kind of.
Asifani mkhulu ngicela ukuthi nje in the natural mina mangiqala ubizo lami I had a lot of weaves I was traveling nganginama Peruvian ngine Indian hair lathi idlozi off with that shit
Njalo pass.
and I had to give them away. You know, and it was very depressing. I kept my hair short. I used to like bleaching my hair. But then in the process, they were teaching me products, a hairline. Say, vala le phone call. Asbaz labantu. Vala pela nawe friendship. But yeah. So, so they were teaching me about, I'm coming back to the beads, right? Teaching me about myself. Do you understand? Kade babingitshelile vele ukuthi ishoba labo elimain ikhanda lam inwele zami.
Okay.
You understand? The previous dreads that I had, I gave them away because they were so long. And unfortunately for me, my second husband and I joined our hair together instead of wearing our wedding rings. I've always been a hippie. I'm a special child. You understand? So I cut my hair because hey, young is xenophobia lenja. So I had to go through the process again, right? So they show you who they are. I used to wear very, very high heels. I stopped being able to wear shoes. And then I went from a size 5 to a size 8. I went from a size 6 to a size 7. Then change your size. So they would change, showing me who they are. Then I would have to now, before that, I'm going to the beads. I ngangithanda ukufaka inkophe kakhulu. Yangiqala eThekwini lento. Ngithi ngisafaka inkophe yokuqala, ngiqale ngihyperventilate. Kuthiwa I'm having panic attacks. Mina ayibona nginayo lento yobelungu mina leyo nto. And then I couldn't, yabo. And then they started showing me ukuthi uthola ukuthi ithonga elisha. You know that we continue twasaring after sesibiziwe.
Oh.
Siyatwasana ka 25. It doesn't stop. So don't think ukuthi mosophuzile walphalaza uyaqeda so ku ice cream.
continuous
It's a
game.
so khona umphathi omusha osefikile. You understand? And usanda kufika lo muntu manje mangifaka inkophe ngibeka kuvala amehlo. Bakuvala ngathi usuyofakwa itag emoshwara ngithi mawufaka inkophe. So bayibona ukuthi sebayahamba kanti sebaqeda ukungena. And then they'll start getting eyes not time yet for you to go. And then it should be havoc. So I learned ukuthi I have to calm myself, ngiyophahla, ngiyobacela, ngicela ukuyofaka inkophe, ngicela ukuyofaka inwele. Sometimes uthi uqeda ukwenza ama singles even kube ebhlungu ikhanda. You understand? Ucabanga ukuthi or omunye waqothula uthi hayibo girl, were you on your periods? Or what happened? Why did you understand? Kanti ithongo lakho alifuni, kanti amakhehla afuna impandla yabo. So for the longest time I used to have a mohawk and I had to round it for a long time, even before ngithatha ubisi. You understand? Ukuthi amakhehla bazi ukuthi banempandla yabo. So ngibabalansise ogogo namakhehla, but ngibuswa amakhehla kakhulu. I had to also train them that I am manly, I have manly hobbies. I grew up as a tomboy, but I'm not a lesbian. You understand? Yes, I've shared with it. Nginukela abhlungu ababele mnganami. Hey, nginukela abhlungu aba. Kodwa ngabona hayi. Ngayithanda lento. But going to the beads, a bead, even if this one, it's designed, it's a love story. Every bead that I make, empande nyami, is not going to be same for every child that I have. Because agatwazi idloti lami. Yes, idlozi lakhe likhulumisene nedlozi lami ukuthi ngibakhulisele yena thokoza makafika example uDungamanzi ahamba no George Langa ahamba no mahlale ethafeni amagama amadlozi lawa ngithi yeah bayafika angeke lona odinga intoto viyane nama beads amhlophe na blue afane nalona onyusa uprofeti bakhe afane nalona omnguni afane nalona omsuthu awafana ama beads each color means something different.
Thank you.
Each design means something different. So if I'm wearing my beads example ngikhuluma nalabo engihamba nabo mangigqoke lawe copper nawe silver nanani njalo ukuthi nginyusa isithunyo you understand and kuya ngesandla. That's why when you dream of beads, you got to be careful ukuthi you don't put into ethunywe komalume uyifake ekhabo yihlo. Into ophiwe ekhabo yihlo uyifake ekhabo malume uzoxabana xakane izinto zakho. Fana nesiphandla. Awusithatha isiphandla sakomalume usifake ekhabo babo wakho or the other way around, right? So ama beads are the story. They will tell me, now they tell me, I was doing beads, I was doing them on TikTok the other day, and I was showing how I was doing them, right? And I was saying, Uguti, they will tell you sometimes, example, Uguti, make these beads, ngwenze, mhlambe ngo-October. And then Uguti ngo-April, kuthiwa lama beads owenzile, ngo-October, ngicela usifakele wona, right? Mase ngiwafakile, aqhume after 2 days. Kanti vele I was going to a court case. Bebafakele ukuthi bang-protected then. You understand? So going to beads doesn't mean ukuthi if umanyoni makawenzela ubuhlalo ubuqhume after 6 years. Akusho ukuthi hayi siyagangela or hayi ungasamhambi. Chaza ukuthi umsebenzi wawo usuphelile. Mina generally they will swell my wrist or they will hurt my wrist mase ba sebenzile ngalo or they will tell me in my absentia in the physical to remove them. Ngizopapa mekuseni saqoqiwe ama beads. Ebengiwafaka agcwele la. Sala iceleni ngingazikhumbuli futhi ngiwakhipha. Fana neinkopho ngizovuka se inkopho phela zine process ufaka ama oil nanani. Ngizovuka se bangikhiphele zona nje bayibeke eshidini lemhlophe but they were sikhathele ile nto thina. Time up. You understand? So they will tell you. Yabona manje ngihamba nomdzawu, ngihamba nesithunywa. Simple. Right? Bacele lokho izolo. You understand? Namanje you understand? Lokho okubamba ukugida. You understand? But bathe ngifake kanje. You understand? And uyabona ukuthi nama colors awafani.
Combo.
Nekombo, nempande ngifake la ayifani ngoba nginithembi. Ngifuna protection. So yes, a protection order. Protection order lena ukuthi do not come near her for this amount of distance. Yabona la ukuthi right, it's the Cori shell. The Cori shell, it speaks of the ocean, the seas, it speaks of protection, it speaks of femininity. So the tolu ukuthi, example, amadoda anamagogo will have Cori shell. It speaks of great wealth of over the seas. So abantu abanezizwe abangayithwalelanga abanazo from birth. Ngangibuza ngani indaba yokuthwala ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Mina ngifuna ukuthwala.
Awufusekla kwami asicishe lento.
Thank you. Phuma satha isho phuma
ungihambele ngidedela izinja la kwena manje sikudle.
Yakuthi into lefike ingibore ngale into njengale dona friendship yini. Abantu they don't have a proper information. That is why we end up doing.
Sorry guys, I'll go through the comments later and reply because some of you are writing paragraphs and wow guys, you write so long. Thokozani ngiyabonga. I'll go through some of those dreams and answers that you guys have. Ne? And please know that in this group, guys, whoever follows me, I follow them. All right. Send me love, send me stars. Thank you for the joy and the peace and the stuff that I'm getting. Thank you, Chili Bites.
Okay. Let's wrap it up our
Tabi saying buza yeah. They're clear beads. Yes, some of the clear beads, guys, could be not beads. They could be stones. They could be precious stones. We find a lot of those when we go to the waterfalls. We pick them up. We take a hot wire. Njengala. Where's imbobo? Ufaka elastic yakho. I did a video on that on TikTok. Ufaka le elastic le yokwenza ukudoba fish. ufake abanye basebenzisa ukotini mase bafaka ibhathini ukuze kuncike umkhulana ufake ezesithunywa the copper, and usually it is also to balance you, especially isithunywa sakho masishokhana uyabona uma uthinta umuntu masuyashokhana uvamise ukuthi nolwimi lakho liyashokhana uyabathusa abantu to balance them out. Or umuntu uma ukuthi example uma unesithunywa sokhanya into ejwayele ukwenza, let's say useteksini umuntu akuthi kanje uvela uphenduka uhline usukwatile kanti ile energy ayiphethe uhamba ngesithunywa simhlophe mhlambe yena ufuna ucommit suicide and uyanyanya musufika ekhaya udepressed na usufuna uyibulala kanti ogezanga uthinta abantu, so it protects you from people transferring energies onto you. Correct? So it's different reasons, and sometimes bafuna ukukhombisa ukuthi hayi wena kufana nani nescrub sikadokotela ama beads.
This one is full, it's no longer recording. That one is sharp. But asikho lapho. Friendship. All in all, ngiyabonga mina for this chance ukuthi ngide and we sit down, we talk. I'll urge everyone to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this one, it's a huge one. It's a extremely informative one. For sure, we're going to continue and we're going to bring another topic. If, guys, you need us to talk about something else, keep on commenting and commenting and commenting. I'll appreciate for you guys who didn't subscribe to my channel and follow Friendship and follow me as well. The rest, before it.
Thank you for the stars and the love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. More stars, more love. Yeah, Thokozani Maketla Matala, Nezalgwazi, Nani. Oh, Nkosi yami Petrium is low, and it's joy needed today. Magwande, Magube Mhlophe, Magube Khosi, Magube Hele.